guys. Today I want to talk just about back cushions on sofas, chairs. The thing about back cushions, people ask me all the time about replacing what they have in a back cushion with something. They always want something better than what they had, because when they're coming to me, they don't look great, the cushions. So a lot of times what manufacturers do, they use foam, they use Dacron. They do not use what I would recommend on back cushions. The only back cushions that I will custom make for anybody would be a 50% down, 50% feather cushion in a casing similar to this. Now the thing about this, it's interesting about this cushion that you see, I won't mention the manufacturer, they're calling this a premium back cushion, which is, they have everything, they have all the right ingredients except the main one, which is the proper balance of feather and down, which is 50-50, 50 feather, 50 down. So this cushion here has the beautiful channels, which you get in a custom cushion that I do, but this is not a downproof ticking. This is only a cotton, because they only have Dacron in here. They have a very fine Dacron, which is fine. It's actually a microfiber Dacron, but in no time at all, this is going to be compromised. This is going to fall down. Once the problem is, you can even see it didn't come back there. If that was a down cushion, that would come right back. If it was my cushion, it would come right back. And if it didn't come right back, you can push it back. You can fix it back, like a good bed pillow. Just think of a good bed pillow. So it doesn't last. I don't think. I don't know why the manufacturers don't use the 50-50 down feather cushion, but they don't. So when a customer comes to me and they want me to replace it with foam, I say, no, you're better off just adding Dacron to it, just a home remedy, if you don't want to pay a little bit extra for the down and feather, because the down and feather will always maintain its shape, always come back. It'll always bounce back to its original shape, and it will take years and years and years for it to lose its shape. Usually that means it's going to lose down and feather out the zipper or something, which hardly ever happens. But that's what I use, and that's what I would recommend that you guys, if you're in business on your own, I would recommend to my customers, your customers, the same thing. So thanks, and I'll see you next time.